Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today I'm here to tell you all about... No, I'm not here to tell you, but I'm here to show you all about my first time experience with Dior website unboxing of fragrances and samples and goodies and... Let's just get right into the video. But because it's an unboxing video, let's get to the right angle. Welcome to my hand. I cannot wait any longer to open this Dior package and that I order. So let's do it now in my workstation. First of all, when you open this very nice box, and it's just a thank you note and the return policy and the direction and the instruction on how to return the stuff if you don't like it. Then there is a nice bag from Christian Dior, personally created for myself, basically. I don't know what is it for, but I'm gonna put it into good use, for sure. And then you get to the juicy part. Do you see that? There's like Dior written all over it, but it's also in white, so it's like hidden in a way. So when you open that, oh, Merry Christmas to me. Ta-da! Wow, it's very nice packaging. I guess these are all like kind of to protect the product inside, but let's get to this small sample bags first. So the first thing in here is Gris Dior, basically a miniature. Oh, it's a pretty nice size. I think it's like at least 7 milliliter. The batch code is 9E01. I will give that a try. The next thing in here we have Ambre Nuit, which is another of their private blend. Both of them are private blend fragrances. Then there's some more in here. Okay, so I got the Sauvage Parfum. This is probably their best seller for men. So I would love to try this. This is a 1 milliliter sample. Thank you, Dior, for giving me that. And then I also got the J'adore Eau de Parfum. This is a women fragrance. Same size. Wow. Oh, and this is, I think it's the welcome gift because it's the first time I purchased from their website. This is the triple volume plumping lash primer, Dior Show Maximizer 3D. Give this a try and maybe film a first impression with some other things for you guys. And then last but not least in this box we have an eau de toilette. This is Dior Homme. And I don't know what size is this. But it is one of the best sellers also. Oh, it's very nice. Wow. I think the packaging in here is basically how it looks like when you buy the full size. So I'm excited for that. I think I'm gonna give this to my husband as part of his Christmas stocking gift. So he can try it out, and of course I would get him the full size if he likes it. Maybe I'll put it in this bag and give it to him. There we go. Now, to the juicy part. I got the Christian Dior Private Blend Fragrance Discovery Set. So it comes in this beautiful packaging, and it's basically 7.5 milliliters each sample. I think it's basically the same size as these little thing here. And there are 8 of them. And it's all made in France. Let me see how I can open it. How can I open it? I'm not fancy enough to know how to open this, you guys. Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial of how to open a fancy Dior Discovery set. It took me 15 minutes. I think I figured out how. So basically, there's like this thing on the back. I don't think I'm doing the right thing, but you get to see me flopping, so yay! This is a disaster, actually. I don't think it's supposed to be like this. Oh, it is supposed to be like this. This whole thing come off, thank the Lord. That's how it's supposed to be. And then, when you open it, ta-ta! Your room, or wherever you put this, will become like a Dior store, basically. So you have I think there are 8 best sellers in the private blend. So I have here Ambre Nuit, which is, I already have an extra of. And then I have Bois de Jaunt. I'm sorry if I mispronounce things because I'm not proficient in French. This is Gris Dior, Jasmin, Please tell me how to pronounce these things if you know. And then Oud Ispahan. This is one of their most raved about fragrances on YouTube, and so is Ambre Nuit and Gris Dior too, I think. And Rouge Trafalgar. And then we have Spice Blend, and last but not least, Holy Peony. I think Spice Blend and Rouge Trafalgar they are also very famous or very hyped up. So yeah, this is the main thing that I got, and it's just I want to try out their fragrance line. I wanted to try the Chanel exclusives line actually more at first, but they didn't have anything like this. So I went with Dior because probably Dior and Chanel, their private blend lines are competing with each other anyway. So I just want to test these out, and whenever the world is back to more normal state, I can go to like Nordstrom or to a Chanel boutique, and then I'll pick my first Chanel exclusive by myself. This is why we're here, and there you have it. This is a unboxing, a first impression, and a tutorial on how to open fancy stuff. Since we're already here, let me smell Ambre Nuit, because this is very fall appropriate, I think, and it's fall, so let me smell it. So these samples are not sprayed bottle, they're just I don't know, I like it, but I think right now I can only smell the opening notes, so it just smells like rich and refreshing, but I will test it out more, and of course I'm gonna do a separate review for each of these. I flopped. For each of these fragrances. But yes, there we have it. There are all the things that I got today, and I'm very excited to try them out. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it entertaining and fun. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future content. And leave me a comment section below if you try any of these before, or if you can relate to my not knowing how to open the packaging of this stuff. But yes, I will see you in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful holidays, and I will see you soon. In the meantime, don't flop.